Yo, another banger here. We're back at it. Another beautiful Monday. Let's dive right into it. So, I had started the day off bullish, right? While everyone else was bearish, I started off bullish. Simply because of this 4-hour inverse fair value gap, right? Looking at the high time frame narrative. Where are we coming from? This 4-hour bullish fair value gap. Okay. So we're respecting bullish, disrespecting bearish. Right, and so with that, I'm expecting to see us tap back into this inverse fair value gap to push higher. We never got that, but we had this beautiful bullish fair value gap that got respected. Okay, and I actually just faded this bearish SMT at open. I just faded it because I see how we're moving, right? Like it's just too bullish, right? So on the one hand, we have this fair value gap. We traded, we like chopped around all morning, right? And so we took out buy side, swept buy side, came down with the SMT, but I just faded it all, bro. I'm not gonna lie. So while people were taking shorts on here, I really wanted to see longs play out, and I actually, I'm not gonna lie, like it's gonna sound unbelievable. I'm not gonna lie, but I literally went to the bathroom and I had this set up because and I'll explain why I had this set up earlier. But I really wanted to see a resweep, okay? And so it would have hit take profit with the bottom tick, but that's not my style of trading. Now, I'll explain my thought process here. We sold off to this bullish value gap, respected it, right? I didn't really want to see longs going to play just yet because I wanted to just I'm looking for any opportunity. It's 2-hour inverse value up to the upside, but I just faded all of that because I knew we were gonna want to take out the intermediate low in the bullish PD array, right? The money sweep. So we get the money sweep, and this is like a perfect AMD model right here. Okay, we sell off. Okay, we accumulate. This right here would be the accumulation zone, right? So we accumulate, sell off, take out the low, we manipulate to the lows, and in the last leg, I set my standard deviations. We get this high right here, this buy side, which end up getting hit. And so my optimal entry in this moment would have been the highest time frame inversion of the leg. So it would have been this. I would have seen boom. Oh, I already had it set up. My bad. Boom, inversion. Okay. Boom, boom. Now I could have either went break even here. I would have got stopped out. Break even, and then full TP at this high. Would have been a break even trade. Or I could have went break even. Either way, I would have got stopped break even at the 5-minute gap. Is there a 15-minute? Not really. So this could have gone one of two ways. I could have targeted the standard deviation projection, right, which would have been a 3RR trade. Oops. Yeah. 3.25. And it would have been really a lot more riskier, but it would have been like I could went break even right here at this high. Boom, break even. And then full TP hit there. Would have been a banger, beautiful trade. Only problem with it is it would have taken, what is this? It would have taken a while, I'm not going to lie. It would have taken 30 an hour, hour 30, 2 hours, 2 hours 30, almost 3 hours for this trade to hit. And I'm not a swing trader by any means. I don't want to be holding trades for that long, you know what I'm saying? So I probably would have just targeted the low-hanging fruit, which would have been here. Bang. gone break even at this high right here. Would have been a break even day, which I wouldn't be too mad about, but I didn't take anything. So yeah, pretty solid day, pretty good analysis on my behalf. I feel it just happened really late at like 9:40. I was like, well, I guess 10:40 if we're talking East Coast time, but that's all I saw today. I just really didn't like the idea of shorts in such a bearish narrative. Like, boom, okay. Bullish fair value gap respected, bearish fair value gap disrespected. Market opens. Where are we at on the grand scheme of things? On our market open, we're above the inversion, so like we are really bullish. Like we're wanting to see all-time highs, but I just didn't take it, and I'm not mad about it. You know, no FOMO. I just want to follow my rules, take my A+ setups, and get paid for it. You know, but that's all I got today. I hope that this video was like a good analysis, I guess, like into my mind, a good look into my mind. But I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Y'all stay safe, trust in God. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Peace out.